Hello kids, today is Shapes Day. Baby shark, orange baby shark. Purple baby shark. Pink baby shark. Green baby shark. Purple baby shark. Orange baby shark. Let's learn colors. Color name: green color, light blue color, red color, dark blue color, yellow color, orange color, light green color, pink color. Triangle, triangle, purple triangle. This shape is triangle and this color is purple. Purple triangle. Yellow rectangle. Yellow rectangle. This shape is rectangle. This color is yellow. Rectangle, rectangle, yellow rectangle. Red color, oval, red color, oval. This shape is oval. Red, oval. This color is red. Red, oval. Red, oval, oval. Circle, orange circle. This shape is circle. This color is orange. Orange circle. Orange circle. Circle. Square, green square. Green square. This shape is square. This color is green. Green square. Green square. Square. Heart, blue heart. This shape is heart. This color is blue. Blue heart. Blue heart. Heart shape.